Yo, what up? So today we are doing another Perrier chug.
Hold up, let me get the little cappage off.
You're taking it off?
Dude, it helps maximum chuggage.
That's right. Can they even do it? We're just gonna see who wins, and yeah. Said things last time.
Alright,
Okay, ready? Count us down.
3, 2, 1.
Oh god. Bro! Bro, you spilled the whole thing. Oh, jeez. Done. Ooh. Dude, he's slamming. So who won?
Oh my god.
How does it feel?
Reunited won this one.
Let me see what happened. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at that.
I think I got a little cheated.
Yeah, you cheated a little bit. Okay. But yeah.
Oh my god.
You guys enjoyed?
That was insane.
And yeah.
And yep.
So.